It's just a metal box. It's getting warm out there.
Yeah, I know. Last time I was out there, I was like, God, it's already fucking getting hot. All right, that's done. That's done. Graver, good. Empty pack. Empty pack. Empty pack. Empty pack. Empty pack. Empty. Fancy sunglasses. These aren't sunglasses. These are laser glasses. Okay, that's done. That's done. That's done. Okay, laser, good to go. She's set up. The only thing I need is a longer. I need like
So
6.
I'm trying to find the extender. I have a 6-foot USB extender cable around here somewhere. I've already had to buy this. I had this issue with Bailey's computer once. Yeah, I bought that. It's around here somewhere. I'm gonna find the cable. I'll get a stash wires and fucking
Extension cords in there. Got a mouse. Computer cord. Ethernet cord.
Should be that big, like, clear bucket full of just cords. And
Yeah, I have that, but there's no extension in it.
Well, then you gotta figure out where the heck Bailey put it. How long is that yellow one? Is that yellow one any
It's
longer?
an Ethernet cord. It's not a.
The Ethernet.
The printer cable.
Yeah, I need a printer cable. Yeah.
Somewhere around here, I've bought fucking extending USB.
No, I need like
extensions.
6 feet of. I need length, or like Benny said, or USB to USB.
Yeah, I have
That
big USB to USB expanders around here somewhere.
As long as it's male to female.
I've had this issue already before, so
I
ordered this.
personally haven't seen one floating around, but other than that, she is good to go. What is? It does not tell me in the little book. What's this little guy? Little tiny USB. He doesn't really mention it in the book, so I'm not sure.
You have to ask Austin if the other one came with one. If it's just a memory stick for loading things onto it so that you don't have to have it hooked to the
It's an
computer
actual
when you watch
USB. It looks like it's made because it wireless.
it. Good.
Because that's what it's got on
Might
it
be a
is the.
dongle. I don't know.
It
Plug
says
in,
the
see if it-
wireless signal.
Plug it in, see if it talks to it.
But I don't have a USB spot anywhere on here.
No, it'd go into the computer. It's like a mouse. The mouse doesn't plug a USB
It's
in.
got its own dongle. I got you. Yeah. Well, let's see. Software installation.
Yeah.
Software installation.
If we don't even need a cable and you just plug the dongle in, then we're looking for an extender for no reason.
Unless I just fell off when I
We could have, but
reached up top.
we could have done something else. I don't know if it came with one or not.
Yeah, because the book does not show that is what that is.
I know when Bailey had that printer on his other desk and it didn't talk to the network at one point, I had bought him extending male to female USB expansions.
Yeah, I wonder if this USB it looks old. I wonder if it just fell from up top when I pulled the thing down. I'm gonna leave it here just in case, but.
those weird lines in. You have your dead husk of the bear. Give me the bear. Give me the bear. Not let it go.
Just have to steal one from my computer for now. You've got an open USB port on this thing. A lot of length left. That's good. There you go, guys. Set up. All he's got to do is fire it up.